Hey everybody!
Hi.
Welcome to another Splatty video, and for this one we're going to be doing a rat and a mouse. So this big one is a rat and the little one is a mouse. So what we are going to need is a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and an A4 sheet of paper like this. But we only need a square, a perfect square out of the A4 sheet of paper. So we're going to measure 85 millimeters that way and 85 millimeters down here across. We draw a line and then we cut along that line.
I can make that scissors.
And yeah, we drew a little scissor over there. And then we end up with a square. So when we cut that piece away, we end up with a square sheet like this.
Yeah.
And Izzy's got one as well.
Yeah.
Do you want the yellow one or are you okay with the blue one?
Blue. I like blue.
You like blue. Oh, and as we've seen here, we've got some googly eyes again. It's one of our favorites. Got googly eyes all over the place. Or you can just draw little eyes on with a pencil or marker, whatever you have over there. So let's get going. So we take corner to corner and we make our first fold. And we end up with a perfect triangle. So we take that sheet to the corner there and this other one to the corner. Try to line your corners up perfectly. Like I'm immediately failing at that. Okay, there, that's better. So we have a little triangle. Am I right? You got a triangle? And no, and we made our first fold. So now we lined up triangle up like this.
Yes.
And we're gonna fold the side flaps over onto that line.
Yeah.
And we get the corner perfect at the bottom there. Try to get it as neat as possible.
Yeah, it's almost November.
It's almost November.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Tomorrow is later or October. That means it's November.
Yep, that's correct, my boy. The last day of October is tomorrow, and then after that it's November.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have a kite shape.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we fold this top part, the back down. So we end up with another triangle. Ooh, I keep getting my corners a bit funky.
Not me.
Oh, yours is nice. Yours is nice. That's perfect. Okay, so now we have a triangle again with a flap. Am I right?
Yeah.
So we flip the page or our shape that we folded, and now we take these two corners at the top and fold them back in, and we form a kite again.
A mini kite this time.
So yeah, it's a smaller kite,
You make the mini.
and we should end up with something like this, a kite with flaps here. You have a kite with flaps here?
Yeah.
Okay, so now take the tip
Yeah.
and fold it over, just that little tip, you just fold that over.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now we take these flaps here and just make a fold in them.
I can't see.
There. I just took those flaps and I folded them over. Yeah, like that, that's perfect. Try to line them up.
The same.
Now keep this nose part down, the top bit, keep it down, press it down. So now you need to make a fold in there with that bit folded over at the front. Let's see, there we go. That's correct. Now before we make our very last fold, we need to tell everybody to please remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
So go ahead and click that subscribe button, give us a like if you want, and drop a comment.
Yeah.
You can even drop a little request if you want to. So now for the last fold, we take this part which forms the tail and we just give it a fold like that. Yeah, that's fine. And now you can see this is an ear, that's another ear, that's his nose, his little snout, and he can stand like that. And there we have it, guys. That's our mouse.
Yeah.
So right over here we can add googly eyes now. Do you want a googly eye? You're gonna draw one on.
Yeah, I have enough.
Maybe there's some bigger eyes left in here. Well, one or two. You want a giant eye?
Yeah.
Hmm? I'm gonna take a small eye. And we got our little googly eye. And boop, my mouse has an eye. Well, this size we can call them rats. My rat has an eye.
Yeah, the rat. That means he's big, but mouse is small.
Yeah, he's the bigger one and a mouse is the smaller one.
Yep.
And there we go. There's my little mouse, my little rat, my little mouse. You can draw whiskers if you want. And look at that. Little mouse with whiskers. Do you have yours? Let's see yours. You got a cute little tiny eye. And he's got his whiskers. What are you doing? Big eye on the other side.
In the air. Yeah.
Okay, show everybody your little rat.
Yeah. We are rat potty.
Lift it up so the camera can see. Like this. Just so everyone can see. Yeah. So there we have a little ear flaps,
Yeah.
little snouty nose bit,
Yeah.
and the tail. So there you have it, everybody. That's how you fold an
But,
origami rat.
No. And so I want to write it down.
You want to write it down?
No,
What are you saying?
I do the rat doing down.
Okay. You take the rat
Yeah.
and then
Dab it.
is he gonna dab?
Yeah.
Oh, the rat's gonna dab. Okay, so everybody, the first rat dab on YouTube. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and
Like
dab. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah.
Please like, do
do
subscribe, click that bell icon to get notifications on any new videos. Be good,
have fun.
have fun. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I went from mouse to horse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Did you know Cuddles attacked the other one?
Yeah.